Welcome to the Yang 8 Tai Chi workshop. In today's practice, I'll be facing away from you, so hopefully you've been practicing for some time now. With that in mind, I would turn the volume off if you feel confident and just follow the visual cues. We'll start by bowing. Standing with your feet together, make a fist with the right hand, place the left palm on top, left thumb over the right palm. Starting with the feet together, hands by the side. Take a nice deep breath in and out. Breathing slowly and deeply throughout. Lifting the left heel, step the left foot out to the side. Plant the foot as you place the left heel down. Raising the palms up on the in-breath, pushing palms down on the out-breath. Bending at the knees. Bring the right hand out to the side, palm up, left palm up. Right hand to the head, push the right palm forwards as you bring the left hand in, repulse monkey. Left hand out to the side, palm up, right palm up. Bring the left hand to the head, push the left hand forwards as you bring the right hand into the belly. Lift the right hand as you bring the left heel in. Step the left heel out. Brush the left knee with the left palm as you push the right hand forwards. Sweep the left hand across and up to the head as you bring the right foot in. Step the right heel out, bend at the knees, brush the right knee with the right palm, push the left hand forwards. Hands to chest height as you step the left foot in, holding the ball, right hand on top, left hand underneath. Step the left heel out as you push the right hand down, bring the left palm up, parting wild horse's mane. Windscreen wiper the hands across, hold the ball, left hand on top, right hand below. Step the right heel out as you push the left palm down, right palm up. Turning the right heel as you bring the right hand down, left hand up. Step the left foot out, left hand down, right hand up, and we're sweeping to the right. Right hand down, left hand up, sweep to the left, shifting the weight to the left. Left hand down, right hand up, sweep to the right, slide the left foot in, right hand down, left hand up, sweeping to the left, step the right foot out. Left hand down, right hand up, sweep to the right, shift the weight to the right. Right hand down, left hand up, sweep to the left, push down to the right, down to the left. We're bringing the weight onto that left side as you lift the right knee up with the right hand. Golden cockerel standing on one leg, or with the right toe down if you need to for balance. Push the right hand down with the right foot. The same on the opposite side. Lift the left foot up with the left hand, or start with the toe down. Push the left hand down with the foot. Crossing the hands, bring the weight onto the left side. We're now kicking 45 degrees out to the right as you open your arms wide, or with your toe down. Push the hands down with the foot. Weight bearing on the right, cross the hands, kicking 45 degrees out to the left, open the arms wide, or start with the toe down. Bring the toe down with the hands, make a ball, left hand on top, right hand below, step the right heel in. Step the right heel out, push the left hand down as you present the right forearm in bow stance. Bring the left hand up to the right, so we're holding the ball, sweep the hands down, round, grasp the sparrow's tail, rock back, hands down to belly, push up. Turning around to the left, hold the ball, left hand below, right hand on top, left heel comes in. Step the left heel out, push the right hand down as you present the left forearm. Bring the right hand up to the left, holding the ball, sweep the hands down, round, grasp the sparrow's tail, pull back as you rock back on the heel, hands down to belly, pushing up to head height. Lunge towards the right, sweep this right foot in, crossing the hands, palms facing up, bring the hands all the way up to shoulder height, turn the palms down, spread the hands out to the side, push down, step the left heel in. So we'll repeat this same practice now towards the right hand side. Lifting up the right heel. Step the right heel out towards the side, plant the foot, plant the heel. Raising the hands up, push down, bend the knees. Take the left hand out to the left, right palm up, left hand to the head, push the left palm forwards, the right hand comes in. Bring the right hand out to the side, left palm up, right hand to the head, push the right hand forwards as you bring the left hand in, repulse monkey. Left hand up, step your right heel out, brush the knee onto the right, push the left hand forwards. Sweep the right hand across and up, step the left heel in. Step the left heel out, bending at the knees, brush the left knee with the left palm, push the right hand forwards. Hands to chest height, step the right foot in as you make a ball, left hand on top, right hand below. Step the right heel out, push the left hand down, right palm up, parting wild horse's mane. Cartwheel the hands across, step the left heel in, right hand on top, left palm below. Step the left heel out, push the right hand down as you present the left palm up. Turn the left foot in, left hand down, right hand up, step the right foot out, right hand down, left hand up, sweep to the left. Cloud hands, left hand down, right hand up, sweep to the right, weight bear on the right. Right hand down, left hand up, sweep to the left, slide the right foot in. Left hand down, right hand up, sweeping to the right, step the left foot out. Right hand down, left hand up, sweep to the left. Left hand down, right hand up, sweep to the right, stepping the left foot in. Press down through the left, down through the right. Weight bearing on the right side as you lift the left hand with the left knee. Golden cockerel standing on one leg. Or for balance, you can start with your left toe down. Push the left hand down with the left foot. Weight bear on the left. Bring the right hand up with the right knee. Or have your right toe down. Pushing down with the right hand. Weight bear on the right. Cross the arms. Kick 45 degrees out to the left as you open the palms wide. Or start with your toe down. Weight bear on the left. Cross the hands. Kicking out to the right. Open the arms wide. Place the right toe down. Making a ball with the hands. Left hand on top. Right hand underneath. Slide the left heel in. Present the left forearm as you push the right hand down. Right palm comes up to left. Sweep the hands down, round. Grasp the sparrow's tail. Rock back, hands down to the belly. Push up. Turn to the right, step the right foot in. Make a ball with the hands, left hand on top, right hand below. Step the right heel out. Push the left hand down as you present the right forearm. Left hand up to the right. Sweep the hands down, round. Grasp the sparrow's tail. Pull back, hands down to belly. Push up. Lunging to the left. Turn the left foot in. Slide it in towards the right. Crossing the hands underneath, palms facing up. All the way to shoulder height. Spread the hands out with palms down. Push the hands all the way down. Step the right foot in towards the left. Right palm in a fist. Left hand on top. Left arm over the fist. Thank you for joining me in today's Yang 8 Tai Chi workshop.